3 Geometry. In that subunit 3.3 you have learnt about the circle and its components. Let's revise it. The circle is the set of all points which are at a fixed distance from a given point in the plane. This is the plane. Plane means the flat surface with no thickness. This is the plane and this point A is the fixed point. This circle is the set of all the points which are equidistant from this fixed point. This is the circle and this point A is the center of the circle. The center is used to name the circle. The point in the middle of the circle is called the center. So this is the center of the circle which we use to name the circle. And the segment which joins the center of the circle and any one point on the circle is called as the radius. So this is the radius and the radius is denoted by the letter R. This is the radius and this is the diameter. Diameter is a segment which joins the any two points on the circle and it passes through the center of the circle. This chord is called as the diameter. If you observe carefully, the diameter is 2 times radius. That's why the formula of the diameter is 2 times radius, 2 into R. Here R stands for radius and radius is half part of the diameter. Therefore, the formula of the radius is D means diameter upon 2. We can draw the infinite number of radii to a circle. All the radius of circle are of equal length. We can draw the infinite number of diameters to a circle and all the diameters are of equal length. Length of the diameter is the twice of the length of the radius, or in other words we can say the length of the radius is half of the diameter. Here circumference is shown with the dotted line. Circumference is the distance once around the circle. This is the circle and this is the circumference. For example, you walk around a circle which has the diameter of 100 meter. This is the circle which have the diameter 100 meter. If we walk around this circular path, how far have you walked? That we have to find out. So distance walk is nothing but the circumference. So formula of the circumference is pi into diameter. Here diameter is 100 meter and the value of the pi is 3.14. That's why after multiplication you will get 314 meters. This is about the circumference. The radius, diameter and the circumference. Here this is the radius, this is the diameter and this is the circumference which is shown with the dotted line. This is the circumference. Understood it? So formula of the diameter is 2 times radius and if radius is given we can find out the circumference 2 into pi into radius and if diameter is given pi into diameter. Inside and outside of the circle. Here the point B is inside of the circle. This point A is outside of the circle and the point C is on the circle. So we can a circle divides a plane into 3 parts: interior part, exterior part and on the circle. Means here the point M is in the interior portion of the circle, means inside the circle, and some points like the point A is in the exterior portion, means outside the circle, and the point C is on the circle. Understood it?